Hello, Crescent parents and students. This is Ms. Chambers, your new principal. I hope that you've all had a wonderful summer full of lots of rest and relaxation, and you're ready to get back to learning. While I know that this school year is starting very different than any other school year we've had before, here at Crescent we are so excited to begin our virtual learning on Monday. Our teachers have been working very hard to get their Google Classrooms ready, and not only will our students get virtual instruction in the 4 academic areas, we will also do win time and specials. Open house is today from 3 to 7. Every parent should have already received a Google Meets link through email from your child's teacher. All you have to do is click onto that link and it will allow you to join a live open house session with your child's teacher. Those sessions will take place at 3, 4, 5, and 6. If for some reason you're unable to attend any of the live sessions, please reach out to your child's teacher or call the office and we'll set something up for you on a different time and a different day. I am so excited to be here at Crescent with all of you. It is a blessing and an honor to serve as your principal. Please, if any parents or students have any questions or any needs, especially during this virtual learning time, reach out to your child's teacher or call us here at the office and we'll be glad to help in any way. We know that we're going to have an awesome year. And as our motto for this year goes, keep shining, #Crescent Strong.